vegetarian travelers share their favorite destinations for plant-based eaters. Traveling as a vegetarian or vegan can feel daunting. Will there be enough options? Will the local cuisine align with dietary needs? Despite the challenges, many destinations worldwide offer incredible plant-based experiences for food and culture enthusiasts. Bali is paradise for vegetarians. Rich in vegan cafes and restaurants, Ubud especially shines. Dishes like the Bali Bowl, a vibrant mix of veggies, quinoa, and peanut sauce, capture the island's essence. Bali's lush landscapes and wellness retreats make it perfect for plant-based travelers. Bhutan's food heritage centers on vegetarian dishes due to limited meat availability and Buddhist influence. Everyday meals are simple yet delicious, ensuring a nourishing experience for travelers. From homely lentil dishes to unique yak cheese recipes, Bhutan's food complements its serene natural beauty. Vietnam offers a thrilling plant-based culinary adventure. Dishes like bánh xèo, sizzling pancakes with tofu and mushrooms, blend fresh herbs and spices beautifully. Each region, from north to south, presents unique interpretations of popular vegetarian dishes, a celebration of freshness. Colombia's evolving food scene impressed vegetarian travelers, especially Medellin. El Vegano Andante, a standout restaurant, offers dishes like vegan mondongo soup made with oyster mushrooms, delivering bold and comforting flavors. The city's charm extends beyond food, offering immersive cultural experiences. In Bangkok, street vendors transform simple ingredients into spectacular plant-based dishes. Night markets like those around Sukhumvit streets teem with vegetarian options, bursting with the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. Thailand beckons culinary explorers with its bold food culture. India's culinary landscape is a vegetarian dream, particularly in South India. Tiny villages often have vegetarian-only eateries with vegan-friendly menus. The diversity of dishes, like curries, dals, and traditional thalis, reflects India's love for its meat-free heritage. Every meal offers history on a plate. These destinations showcase the richness of global vegetarian cuisine and its intersection with culture, sustainability, and hospitality. They prove plant-based travel can be more rewarding than limiting, opening doors to unique and delicious adventures. Start planning your next journey to these vegetarian-friendly paradises. Let each meal tell a story and share your plant-based discoveries with the world.